Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Equiconsulting Services Private Limited. Today we are going to show you a demo of an ERP software, a hospital ERP software, which is developed by us. So once we log in after putting the user ID and password, we will land in this page where you can see this dashboard thing. You can see all the important parametrics, all the important metrics at a go, from OPD income, IPD income, pharmacy income, and other graphical representation, everything. And then, if we then there comes the billing things. If we click on the billing under the billing section, we will see there are this many subsections like appointments, OPD, pathology, etc. And then if we click on like appointment, then we'll be able to see the list of the appointments, and with the following informations like patient's name, appointment number, etc. And then we can add a new appointment by putting all these informations, and by clicking by all these informations like date, name, etc., doctor's face, etc. and then by clicking on this save, we can add a new appointment as well. And a new patient can also be added in this following way by putting this informations like patient name, gender, date of birth, etc. Then in the similar way, under the OPD subsection, there you can see all these things like name of the patients, and their consultant, guardian's name, gender, last visit, etc., all these things. And similar way, we can add a new patient like this by putting all this relevant informations, and by saving them, a new patient will be added in the data in the database. So here I am now showing you how to add a new patient like this. Then in this pathology section also, we can see this name of the test, bill number, name of the patient, everything. And we can add a new test like this by putting all this data like test name, report days, and all. And by saving it, we can add a new test like this. Then in this radiology section, radiology means x-rays and all. So here we can see the list of these tests. Here I am showing how to book a new test by putting all this informations and all. We can add a new test. We can book a test. And here also you can see that there are so many payment options like UPI and all, credit card and all. Then this Then similar way in this blood test also, I mean in the blood bank, we can add a new, I mean we can issue a blood. This is blood components issue building section. By putting all these informations, we can issue a blood to the patients. Here this is the under this section we can manage appointments. Here you can see the list of the patients who has taken appointment, and one can book a new appointment by clicking on adding appointment and this putting all this important informations. And a new patient can also be added in the similar way. After putting all this informations, once you click on the save button, new patient with all this data will be saved in the database. And then comes the that OPD, and previously I've shown the OPD section, and this is the IPD section of the hospital. And similar way you can see that their list. This is the IPD discharge patient section list. By putting all these informations like this and by saving we can add a new patient. This is the pharmacy part. You can see the name of the patient, reference, referral doctor, discount amount, and all this thing, a list of all the stuff that has been bought from the pharmacy. By putting all the details of the medicines and other datas informations, we can add a new bill. So here you can see the list of them in the, this is the pathology section. Under this pathology section you can see the list of the patients and the test has been taken. So there here also you can add a new test by putting all this informations. Similar way under the radiology sections also you can see the list, and similar way you can add a new test, book a new test, and see the list of and add a new patient on the in the similar way. Then comes the blood bank. Here also you can see the list of the donors or the recipient, and then by adding all this informations, we can add a new patient or a new donor or whatever. This is the ambulance call list. You can see the list of the list of the ambulance services, and all this with all these details like driver's name, contact number, permanent address, patient name, and you can also book a new ambulance service like this in this similar manner. And then comes the front office part. Here this is the visitor section. You can there is an option of generating token and all. And then comes the birth and date record, birth record. See, here you can see the list, reference number, parents name, gender, birth, etc. You can add a name of a new child like this by putting the child's name, gender, weight at the time of birth, child photo, etc., address and all, father's and mother's name, and then by clicking on save button, and a new birth will be added. Similarly, this is the part of the death record. So by putting all this informations, a new record can be added. So this is the human resource portion, and there is the staff directory, and by you can add a new staff by putting all these details like staff name, ID, gender, address, and all important informations. This is the referral payment part. So you can see the list. You can create a new payment by putting all this data. This is the TPA management part. You can add a new TPA by putting all these informations. Then comes the finance part. This is for the admin. Generally this is meant for the management part of the hospital. So there is an option of adding a new income, like income head name and all these things. And then comes the expenses part also. You can see the list of expenses and also add a new expense in the similar way. By putting the name of the expense, amount, and all these things, you can add a new thing. So this is the notice board part. This is, you can send all the important notifications to the employees and as well as patient party. So this is the how you can send. You can write a message and then send it. This is the inventory part. You can see the list of the inventory of the hospital. You can have a track on the inventory portion. You can add a new item in the stock in this way. This is the content list. You can add a new content like this. This is the certificate part. You can create a new certificate by selecting the category and all. You can generate a new certificate in this way, and this is the list of the certificates like this. And then comes the staff ID card. Previously we have shown you the patient ID card part. You can create a ID card by putting the relevant datas, and similarly you can create ID cards of employees by putting the informations, their name, address and all, blood group, etc. And this is the consultation part. This is live meeting part. You can set a new meeting like this in the similar manner, in this way. These are the reports. This is the this in this part you can see the all the reports of the hospital in details, like transportation, IPD report, OPD report, financial report, audit, patient report, everything. And this, under this setting section, you can see, you can change the settings part, like bed settings, bed list. You can see the list. You can also add a new bed from here by putting by selecting all these categories, bed type, bed, etc. And also you can add a name of it. There is an option of adding a new floor. If a new floor is established in hospital, then you can add a new floor like this. So back to the dashboard part. So here you have seen how this ERP software, how simple this ERP software is, and how easy to use, and this is a very easy to use software, and anyone can use it, and it's totally customizable, and customization will be done according to the needs of the clients, and according to the needs of the hospital owners or doctors, according to their needs. So this today's video is up to this much. Thank you for watching and having a patience. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.